Assalamualaikum and hi everyone, my name is Nur Syafiqah binti Rosofian. My matrix number is MA18034 and today I'll going to present my short project which is how to recycle composites. So first of all, what is composite? A composite is a structural material that consists of two or more combined constituents, or in simple words, it is a combination of fiber and matrix and it becomes a composite. And composites offer super quality and long lifespan, and besides, it managed to help to reduce the energy consumption and impact to the environment. However, composite is not being properly recycled. So as I told before, the properties of composites offer super quality. Since for the fiber, it have high strength, high stiffness and low density, combined with the matrix with good shear properties and low density, and it become a good composite with good properties, which is high strength, high stiffness, good shear properties and low density. And next is the types or category of composites. So it consists of three main categories, which is ceramic matrix composites, organic matrix composites and metal matrix composites. And in organic matrix composites, it's will divided into two main categories, which is PMC and CMC, and then it will divide into another two categories, which is from PMC it divide into thermoplastic matrix composite and thermoset matrix composite. So composite is widely used, and a few examples or application of composites is in automotive, military and aircraft, and also sport kits. And next we are going to the structurals of recycling system for composite materials, and it starts from EOL product, which is end of life products, and another one is the new scrap, and then it will going through the chains and go to the composite recycling, and it divide into three main category, which is mechanical, thermal and chemicals. For the topic of recycling of composite, we are going to focus on three types, which is thermoplastic matrix composites, thermoset matrix composites, and metal matrix composites. First of all, for thermoplastic matrix composites, it divided into three methods of recycling, which is remelting and remolding, chemical recycling, and thermal recycling. However, there is not much study on chemical and thermal, and we are focusing on remelting and remolding. So for this process, there's no separation of matrix from the fiber, but they undergoing the regrinding process. For example, compression, molding, extrusion, compression moldings, and the product will be the pellets. So the video will show the animation process of thermoplastic recycling. Next, followed by the thermoset metric composites, and it consists of three main recycling methods, which is thermal, mechanicals, and chemicals. So in thermals, it consists of pyrolysis and fluidized bed process, and in mechanicals, it consists of filler particles and fibrous particles, and in chemicals, it consists of solvolysis, glycolysis, and hydrolysis process. And the most common one is thermal, and these are one of the examples of the process. So the last one will be the metal matrix composites, and the most common method is remelting or castings. And for this process, it using a few types of furnace, but the most common one is induction furnace. And here are the simple process of the induction furnace remelting of metal. So that are the three types of composite that normally being recycled. Although there's pros and cons, however, we still need to recycle as much as we can to save our environment. The choice is in our hand. Thank you for listening. Assalamualaikum.